Samsung Galaxy Note 7 audio jack and USB-C port replacement guide.
Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, professional Phillips screwdriver,
playing cards. Power down your Samsung Galaxy Note 7 phablet. Eject the SIM and micro SD card tray. Smoothly remove the Samsung Galaxy Note 7 S Pen. The Note 7 rear glass panel is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the frame. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. With the precision knife, create enough space to insert a playing card. Attack the adhesive and carefully dislodge the rear glass from the chassis. Remove the following 11 Phillips screws. Peel up the wafer-thin assembly that includes the wireless charging coil and NFC antenna. Pry the Galaxy Note 7 battery connector off the motherboard. Remove the single speaker with built-in antenna. The Note 7 battery is well wedged and adhered in place. Use a spudger to muscle it free from the adhesive, securing it to the midframe. Extricate the 3500 mAh Samsung Galaxy Note 7 battery. Disconnect the bevy of cables from the Galaxy Note 7 motherboard. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws. Lift up the motherboard and detach the daughter board connector on its underside. Then extract it from the Note 7 phablet. Remove the falling Phillips screw. Disconnect and plug out the modular headphone jack. Remove the falling 2 Phillips screws. Use the tweezers to free the daughter board from the mid-frame. It includes the Galaxy Note7's USB-C port and primary microphone. All of the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.DIYmobilerepair.com.
Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.